अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम MGT 101 के क्विज़ नंबर 2 को सोल्व करेंगे। इस वीडियो में 80 प्लस MCQ सोल्व होंगे। सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ अ कमर्शियल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो डी है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, एसेट्स आर नॉर्मली लिस्टेड ऑन द बैलेंस शीट इन द ऑर्डर ऑफ, ऑप्शन सी इज़ द राइट आंसर। थर्ड क्वेश्चन हमारे पास, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ डेबिट एंट्री ऑन द बैलेंस स्टेटमेंट दैट माइट नॉट अपीयर इन द कैश बुक। इसका आई थिंक डी ऑप्शन है। गोल्ड सोल्ड टू मिस्टर सलमान फॉर री 6,000 हैव बीन फॉरगॉटन टू एंटर द इन बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट, दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ, ऑप्शन ए होगा। A is the right answer. Expenses incurred for salaries, heating and lighting are the examples of revenue expense. Which of the following is an example of operating expense? Option A. Bank reconciliation statement is a memorandum statement. Option A. Which of the following should be credited in bank of column of cash book? Option B. Which of the amount of owner's equity in a business is affected by which of the following? Option D. Which of the following produces profit on disposal of fixed asset? Option B. शेयर करने लगा हूँ, ये भी आप लोगों ने देख लेने हैं। सबसे पहले हमारे पास जो MCQ है, द अमाउंट ऑफ फीस 200 रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम मिस्टर पी बट क्रेडिटेड टू मिस्टर क्यू वुड अफेक्ट। इसका जो ऑप्शन है वो ऑप्शन ए इज़ द राइट आंसर है। नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास, द अमाउंट ऑफ न्यू प्रोविजन प्लस अमाउंट ऑफ बैड डेब्ट्स लेस देन अबाउट ऑफ ओल्ड प्रोविजन दैन द रिजल्टिंग फिगर विल बी शोन एट। इसका जो ऑप्शन है वो ऑप्शन 1 करेक्ट है, डेबिट साइड ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, द शेयर प्रीमियम अकाउंट इज विच टाइप ऑफ द रिजर्व? ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वुड बी डेबिटेड ऑन डिस्पोजल ऑफ फिक्स्ड एसेट? ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर। Old and new bad debts are 2,000 and 1,600 respectively. Old provision for doubtful debts is raised 6,000 and new provision for doubtful debts is raised 1,500. Which amount should be shown in profit account? इसका जो बी ऑप्शन है राइट आंसर। When closing stock is given in trial balance, then it will be affect both trading account and balance account. Bad debts are raised 1,600 and old provision for doubtful debts is 2,000 and new provision for doubtful debts is 800. Which amount should be shown in profit and loss account? Option B is the right answer. Old and new provision I think repeat हो गया दोबारा, इसका बी आंसर है। इसके बाद आता है, all of the following are included in creditors control account except cash check paid to suppliers. The value in which then asset would bring to the management when sold to knowledgeable party in a fair deal is called. इसका ऑप्शन सी है। A debtor control account is a part of double entry book system. आई थिंक इसका ये भी हो सकता है, ऑल ऑफ दीज भी हो सकता है, आपने कंफर्म कर लेना है इसका। Money spent to acquire and or upgrade physical asset is called operating expense. Cash and other resources that are expected to benefit the business not more than one accounting period. Current asset लगा मुझे तो। Which of the following is the best explanation of capital expenditure? इसका confirm है ये, it does not occur again and again, it is non recurring and irregular। ये आप लोग जब कैपिटल और उसके रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर का जो टेबल बना हुआ बुक पे, उसमें इसका आंसर मौजूद है, आप देख सकते हैं। थर्ड पार्टी हु ओव्स मनी टू द बिजनेस इज कॉल्ड क्रेडिटर। इसका भी आंसर बुक में मौजूद है। ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर ट्रू फॉर द पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस एक्सेप्ट लाइबिलिटीज ऑफ ईच पार्टनर इज लिमिटेड। In accounting, which of the following account will be credited if bad debits are recovered in cash? Doubtful debit. The completion of fixed asset are incurred cost on it which should be transferred to relevant fixed asset account. In which depreciation method depreciation remains constant? Straight line method. The day book is called journal. Confirm इसका आंसर journal है. A company uses straight line method of depreciation for an item of equipment that cost 28,000, has a salvage value of 3,000 and has a 5 years useful life. What will be the account of annual depreciation? इसका जो मुझे लगा है वो 5,000 है. आप लोगों ने अगर डाउट है तो प्लीज़ कंफर्म कर लीजिएगा. In accounting, accumulated depreciation is treated as a contra asset. Which of the following would be credited for incurred expenses to complete the fixed asset whose payment is postponed for a future date? Relevant fixed asset. Which of the following is true about the treatment of insurance paid in advance raised 13,000? It will be treated as an incurred expense in balance sheet. Option C. Which of the following is the best explanation of capital expenditure? It does not occur again and again. The amount of which seller agrees to reduce the price to customer is called discount received. Which the cost of an incomplete asset for at the end of year in balance sheet is transferred capital work in progress account. Capital work in progress is shown respectively separately in the balance sheet under the head of asset. The details of individual accounts are kept in a separate register या ledger is called subsidiary ledger. Option B. Which of the following is the debit entry on the balance statement that might not appear in the cash book? Option C. Credit transfer. All of the following are shown in are shown at the liabilities and owner's equity side of balance sheet except option C. Accumulated depreciation. A debit balance in the bank statement indicates bank overdraft. A debit balance in the फिर वही आ गया. उसके बाद है the in partnership organization profit and loss sharing must be based on which of the following? Option D. The partners may agree to any of the profit loss sharing method they desire. Which of the following accounts would be closed on completion of fixed asset? Option C. Capital work in progress account. Which of the following asset is more likely to appreciate rather than depreciation? Land. Which of the following account would be decreased with a debit? All of these. Share payment account is which of type of the reserve? ये फिर repeat हुआ है 18 अगस्त को. So the following account will be credited if the bad debits are recovered. इसमें हमारे जो पास जो सेकंड ऑप्शन है bad debits recovered अकाउंट में आएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास the value at which an asset would bring to the management when sold to a knowledgeable party in a fair deal is called fair value. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है which of the following subsidiary book is are maintained for debtors control account? Option D is right. सेल भी आ जाती है नहीं सॉरी इसका डेप्टर्स लेजर अकाउंट आई थिंक. ऑप्शन सी है गलती सी आई थिंक लग गया. इसका जो मुझे लगा है वो ऑप्शन सी है. Which of the following is a balance sheet item? Outstanding wages. Option C. उसके बाद which of the following is the journal entry of charging depreciation? Option C is the right answer. Which of the following is correct about partnership form of business? Option A. Partners must share their profits in equal share between them. Which of the following would be debited on disposal of fixed asset? Option B. Which of the following subsidiary book are maintained for debtors control account? Option C. Debtors ledger. Carriage paid Rs 50 for the new purchase machinery if debited to carriage account will affect. Option C. Both carriage and machinery account. ये भी रिपीट हुआ है. डेबिट साइड पहले भी आ चुका है. अमाउंट ऑफ न्यू प्रोविजन प्लस amount of bad debits less than amount of old provision, then the resulting figure will be shown at option A. Which of the following would be credited for incurred expense to complete the fixed asset whose payment is made through check? Capital work in progress account. Option C. The balance sheet item that represents the resources invested by the owner is called cash. Which of the following account would be closed on completion of fixed asset? Option C. All the following are included on creditors control account except cash, check and check paid to suppliers. Option D. The balance sheet item that represents the resources invested by the owner is called cash. When there is no disagreement between cash book and bank statement that the favorable balance as per cash book bank column can be as a debit balance as per bank statement. Option C. Money spent to acquire or upgrade physical asset is called operating expense. The bank has debits customer account in cash book in passbook in case of interest in overdraft. Option B. In accounting, which of the following account will be credited if the bad debits are recovered? ये रिपीट हुआ है, सेकंड ऑप्शन है इसकी, ये भी रिपीट हुआ है. In the profit and loss account carriage on sales is adjusted on dash selling expenses. डी ऑप्शन इसका राइट आंसर है. इसका जो है डाउट इन पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस देयर इज प्रॉफिट ऑफ रीज 4,50,000. A, B and C are partners with profit and loss sharing loss ratio of 2/9, 3/9 and 4/9 respectively. What will be the share of profit? A. इसका मुझे A या B का डाउट है, दोनों में से कंफर्म कर लीजिएगा. जब आप रेशियो को सॉल्व करेंगे तो आंसर आ जाएगा A का. Which of the following example of selling expense? Option B. Utility bills. इसका composition for preparing the control account is obtained from journal. When closing stock is given in trial balance, then it will affect both trading and balance sheet. ये भी रिपीट हुआ है. Accounts P and Q ये भी रिपीट हुआ है. The type of error in the books of account in which an event escapes recording is known as error of commission. Which of the following is recorded to reverse or offset an entry to the on the other side of an account? Counter entry is correct answer है. Gold sold to Mr. Naeem for rupees 5,000 are wrongly recorded in sales journal at rupees 500 and same amount is posted in Mr. Naeem's account. Then is example of error of original entry. A debtor control account is a part of double entry account system. Which of the following should be debited in bank statement? Interest in overdraft. उसके बाद है upon checking the bank statement against the cash book, an amount of rupees 120 for dividends from SIA had not been entered in the cash book. Which of the following entries should be recorded to rectify the mistake? Option C. Doctor dividends account debit होगा and बैंक अकाउंट जो होगा वो क्रेडिट होगा. सॉरी डॉक्टर बोला डेबिट था ये. Cash and other resources that are expected to benefit the business not more than one accounting period are known as current assets. When there is no disagreement between cash book and bank statement, then the favorable balance sheet पहले भी आया था debit balance as per cash में. Opening book value of furniture is 4,10,000. Furniture bought during the year is 50,000. Depreciation expense for the period is 20,000. What will be the ending written down value of? इसका जो right answer है वो first है 4,40,000. Which of the following formula is correct for calculating the amount retained earnings to transfer in balance sheet? Option A इसका profit for the year less amount transferred to reserve and profit distributed. What will be the sale price of machinery at the time of disposal if the cost of machinery is 4 lakh, gain on disposal of is 30,000, 3,000 and book value at the time of disposal is 10,000. इसका जो right answer है वो B है 3,90,000. ये भी repeat हुआ है. Repeat. Which of the following would be credited on disposal of fixed asset disposal account at a fair value? The balance sheet item that represent the resources invested by the owner is known as cash. ये भी रिपीट हुआ अभी, रिपीट, आई थिंक ये भी रिपीट 30,000 फर्स्ट वीडियो में आया था, ये रिपीट हो रहा है, ये भी रिपीट है, रिपीटेड, रिपीट, रिपीट हुआ ये भी रिपीट है, रिपीटेड। ये आप लोग देख ही रहे हैं कि तकरीबन 15, 16, 17 और 18 काफ़ी MCQs बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं। वो यही इंशाल्लाह फाइनल टाइम में भी यही आएंगे। ये फार्मूला लास्ट है, विच द फार्मूला इज़ टू करेक्ट टू कैलकुलेट द रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन। जो फार्मूला वो दिया हुआ 1 माइनस एन अंडर रूट RV और C, इसका राइट आंसर है फर्स्ट ऑप्शन। और एक और है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोड्यूसेस प्रॉफिट ऑन डिस्पोजल ऑफ फिक्स्ड एसेट। बुक वैल्यू जब कम होगी और सेल प्राइस ज़्यादा होगी तो वो हमारा क्या होगा, प्रॉफिट होगा। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ करेक्ट फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग अमाउंट ऑफ, ये भी पहले आ गया था। द थर्ड पार्टी हु ओव्स द मनी टू द बिजनेस इज कॉल्ड क्रेडिटर। A bank state reconciliation statement is prepared to dash। इसका पहला ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट है। Ascertain that the difference between the cash book balance and the bank statement balance is accounted for। Carriage paid is 50 for the new purchased machinery if debited to carriage about account will affect both carriage and machinery। ये भी पहले हो गया था। ये आप जब डेट के हिसाब से मेंशन करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा कौन सा MCQ बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं।